I know a lot of people will say rack pulls above the knee will not help you deadlift the full rep long term. And depending on how you approach a rack pull above the knee, it can help you deadlift more weight, and in some instances it may not help you deadlift more weight. One of the benefits of rack pulling above the knee, especially with straps, is you condition your upper back and traps and your abs, your glutes, to handle a lot of weight at the top. So you know what to expect when you do the full rep with less weight. So when you do the full rep and then you get to the top, getting to the top should be very easy because you're going to use most of your energy to try to get the weight off from the floor. But if all you do is rack pull above the knees and don't even practice the full rep deadlift, then a rack pull above the knees will not help you deadlift more weight off the floor because the range of motion has been reduced a lot, and conditioning yourself to handle more weight at the bottom takes a lot more work. There are some variations rack pulls above the knee will benefit the full rep deadlift, such as the Jefferson rack pull, the behind the back deadlift or the behind the back rack pull, and the Zerker rack pull. Because these ones, they all have more knee flexion than the normal front rack pull. The normal front rack pull is more a hip hinge movement. So what I would have done is start at like pin 6 for behind the back rack pull. And then another time I would approach it would be pin 5. And then pin 4. And then over time, I should be able to increase the distance with similar weight. And then I just condition myself to handle a greater range of motion with a lot of weight. It doesn't work exactly the same for the front rack pull because a proper rack pull to many people is you're going to treat it as just a hip hinge movement. When you rack pull above the knee, it's very easy to put your quads in and jerk the weight up, even up to twice the amount of weight of your full rep deadlift. But depending on the range of motion you use, sometimes even a rack pull below the knee will be even less weight than your full rep deadlift, even though you're starting from a higher pin because of how you use your hips, or if you're going to use your quads.